Can you imagine a bridge that isn't built but born? A living structure that is completely remade by hand every single year? This isn't a relic of a forgotten past. It's a vibrant display of human engineering and tradition in constant motion. High in the Andes of Peru, suspended over the rushing waters of the Apurimac River, hangs the Cuezhuachaca. The name itself in the local Quechua language means braided rope bridge. For over 600 years, this remarkable feat of Incan engineering has connected the communities on either side of this formidable gorge. It's the last of its kind, a direct link to the vast network of rope bridges that once crisscrossed the Inca Empire, enabling messengers, armies, and trade to traverse the challenging mountain terrain. The survival of this bridge is not the work of a government agency, but a sacred annual commitment. Every June, 4 Quechua communities, Huinchiri, Chalpibanda, Chocaiwa, and Colana Cuehue, put aside their daily tasks and gather here. Each community has a distinct, inherited responsibility. Some focus on preparing the materials, others on the weaving, and all contribute to the final assembly. It's a complex social fabric, woven as tightly as the bridge itself. The process begins weeks before, with the collection of a special high-altitude grass called ichu. This tough, fibrous plant is the sole building material. Once harvested, the women and children of the communities take on the crucial first step. They pound the grass to make it pliable, then skillfully twist it into thin, strong cords known as quieswas. These initial cords are then braided together into ever larger ropes, a task performed with rhythmic precision, often accompanied by traditional songs and stories. These smaller ropes are then handed over to the men, who braid them into the 6 massive support cables that will form the bridge's foundation, 4 for the floor and 2 for the handrails. It's a monumental effort requiring immense strength and coordination. There are no bolts, no cranes, no modern machinery. Every knot, every twist, and every pull is powered by human hands and guided by ancient know-how. The reconstruction is a 3-day festival of communal work. On the first day, the old bridge is ceremonially cut and allowed to fall into the river below, a symbolic offering to Pachamama, or Mother Earth. On the second day, under the direction of a master bridge builder, the Chakahuaca, the new main cables are hauled across the gorge and secured with ancient stone anchors. It's a tense, dangerous process, a call and response of effort and trust between the teams on either side. On the third day, the master weaver and his assistants move deftly across the suspended cables, weaving the floor and handrails from smaller ropes, creating a sturdy, walkable path. The air is filled with music, celebration, and a profound sense of shared purpose. This entire ritual is so vital to human heritage that in 2013, UNESCO recognized the knowledge, skills, and rituals related to the annual renewal of the Cuezhuachaca Bridge as intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Today, the bridge serves both practical and ceremonial purposes. While modern roads exist, the Cuezhuachaca remains a vital local footpath and a powerful symbol of cultural identity. For visitors lucky enough to witness the Renewal Festival in early June, it's a lesson in respect. This is not a tourist show, it is a living tradition. One must always ask for permission before filming, and remember that the bridge is a sacred object. The Cuezhuachaca is practical, ceremonial, and utterly breathtaking. It stands as a powerful reminder that infrastructure can be more than just steel and concrete. It can be art, it can be culture, and most importantly, it can be a physical manifestation of community. It teaches us that the strongest connections aren't always forged from the hardest materials, but from shared history, collective effort, and the simple, powerful act of people coming together.